Back with us here mga kaibigan, sobrang tikit po nitong ating first set na nakuha po ng Cagayan Valley. Come from behind fashion against Meralco. Let's take a look at some numbers dito, Ivy.
Well, for the
Ann pala, sorry. Si Ivy naglalaro.
Well, for the first set, it was very clear, no? Cagayan was very patient in really getting those points. Kita naman natin, 19 attack points ang pinuntos ng Cagayan as compared to only 12 of Meralco. Na nung unang part ng first set, actually pantay. At makikita rin natin siya ng errors, no? Cagayan with 7, Meralco with 4, all the rest, halos pantay naman sila dyan. But Cagayan just did a better job in the first set.
I can't believe I just called her Ivy. Nandun si Ivy sa
Nalito
harapan.
ka na?
Nalilito na ako. Hindi, nakakamiss din naman. Si Ivy, ayaw na yata niya mag-broadcaster, maglalaro na. Si Ann pwede pa eh. Hanapan natin ng
Manager.
team. Manager.
Manager ba kita?
O Jer lang, walang... Wala akong
Manager.
money eh.
Manager.
Jer lang to.
Si Mozzie ang ating
Yun!
manager.
Si Tita Mosi ang ating bossing.
Oo,
dito.
bossing.
Oo. At of course, masaya po kami nag-aatid ng aksyon dito po sa GMA News TV at saka sa live streaming sa buong mundo. Ito po Shakey's V-League Open Conference, Noel Zarate, kasama si Ann Remulla at ang ating Miss World Philippines Second Princess. Yan, si Zara Bianca Saldua. Kailangan buo yan eh.
We want to be surrounded by beautiful people.
And then, we're now being surrounded by tall people.
Tall people also. Dati kasi ito, di ba? Tall and beautiful. Ang dami dyan yung mga fans pagkatapos ng game talaga nag-aabang.
Diba, si Michelle Gumabaw, sumama na sa atin. Si Bianca Saldua, bumalik na sa atin. Tapos yung, when you talk about tall, I don't know about the beautiful parts, AJ Pareha, diba? 6'4" din. Diba?
Kailangan yung height.
That's a good team. So ngayon, nakakuha ng unang puntos kaagad itong kupunan ng Meralco Power Spikers. At Tabacero with the dig. Here is Maizo. At yan na naman si Maizo infiltrating the back line. Tingnan mo naman yung front line dito ng Cagayan Valley. You got Pao Soriano, Aiza Maizo, and Kanika Tipachot.
What else can you ask for? Ito nga si Tipachot scored already 11 points nung first set. Tabacero and Maizo both with 4.
Eto ngayon si Coco Wang. Soraya ngayon. Tipachot hesitates and she still scores. At si Jen Reyes. Hirap doon.
Oo. Kaya mahirap basahin ang bola nitong si Tipachot. You see, long yung bola niya, but the wrist action is really there. So yung top spin ng bola niya.
Right. 2-1 for Cagayan Valley. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ganda na serve naman ni Eulalio. Here go na Phil Kainglet. Tumama sa antena yung kanyang tira. Sabay labas ng dila si Phil.
That was actually a bit too far.
Pero abot pa rin ni Phil eh. Sinasabi ko sa body contortion niya pag nasa ere.
Ay, lumiyad sa ere.
Oo, ika nga kay Noringo, napilita.
Para maabot niya yung bola. Talent yun, ha?
Oo, mahirap kaya gawin yun. And, uy! Muntik na maka-slam dunk doon ito si Morada. Here's Tipachot getting it across. Jen Reyes. April Jose. Coco Wang. Nice take there by Tabacero. Tipachot finds the corner.
Tipachot makes volleyball look so easy.
But credit half that point to Anggeta Bacero. Kita mo talaga kung paano nag-collapse yung katawan niya. Ito. Boom!
Yes.
Ito mo naman yan, no? Parang breakdance eh. Tapos si Tipachot could do no wrong. 4-1. Wenneth Eulalio ngayon. Mukhang diesel lang kanina Cagayan Valley. Ito na yung totoong laro nila. Lumalabas na eh.
Bumibilis ang galaw. Mas agresibo sa loob ng court.
Well, Coco Wang showing us how they do it in China. At si Coco Wang ngayon nandun sa likuran. Maureen Penetrante Uwano back in front. Or Uwano back in front.
Well, ayang si Wang at si Uwano ang top scorers ng Meralco. Wang already with 11, Uwano with 4.
At nagsisimula pa lang tayo dito sa ating laban. This is just the second set. Maizo, binuhay ni Kainglet. And a free ball given up here by April Jose. Jonella, Soraya, combination, Tipachot. Coverage is there for Kainglet. Jose, going back to Phil. Phil cross-court attack. At sabi ni Angge, alam ko nang gagawin niya yun, ba't hindi ko pa pinuntahan?
Alam ni Angge her position.
Si Phil usually, ano pa paborito ni Phil? Cross-court or down the line?
Alam mo si Phil, very ginagawa niya pareho, but you see most of the time talagang cross-court.
Here's Coco Wang. Soraya, iniwan para kay Pao Soriano and Pao will miss. Pao has not really been producing much, especially in the first 3 wins para sa Cagayan Valley. Which is a big question mark dito kasi usually when you think of Pao Soriano, you're thinking at least 15 points a game.
And over the years, nakita natin naglalaro itong si Pao Soriano, her delivery of points, bukod dyan, yung quality of play niya, pati sa blocking. Hindi pa rin natin masyado nakikita.
Baon yung tira doon. Nitong si 17-year-old Kanika Tipachot. As we take our friends from Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Naririnig ko talaga yung mga tao dito sa arena.
Tuwing pumapalo.
Oo, pas lalo pagbaon. You know, the last time we heard them scream like that or collectively gasp like that as we have a setting error against April Jose was nung nandito si Jang Boli.
Oo. Kaya ang saya actually, pag nanonood ka sa arena, minsan madadala ka talaga because of the reaction, how engaged the crowd is.
O sa mga fans, so far, at least so far, there is no truth to the rumor that Jorens Riboli will play in this conference. So far, ha? Kaya kasi ang dami natin nakikita na nakakagulat ng mga nila-line up na lang bigla. Dahil sa Maizo scores once again. Cagayan Valley now on the rampage. Up by 3. Ang totoo pong mangyayari para sa Smart Maynila at maglalaro po si Pinok Quezini. Totoo yun.
Pero ngayon marami ring new faces New faces na import.
Right. Like Coco Wang, of course. And of course, the Thai connection here from Cagayan Valley. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Soraya keeping it alive. Pao Soriano on the push. Dug up there by Phil Cainglet. They go to Morada on the other side. Morada hinulog. And Jeff Jonella, konting late lang, split second.
Just a little bit of length there.
Konting-konti lang. Okay, you're talking about the two most athletic liberos in the country. You're watching them right here. Jonella versus Reyes. Jonella on the reception. Here's Angueta Baquero. Nice dig by Phil Cainglet. Si Phil Cainglet nag-audition to be a libero. And that's gonna be 4 touches. 8-5. So far, so good for Cagayan Valley here in set number 2.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League.